In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth push slide transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using push. This transition slides one clip out while the next clip pushes in, making the scene change feel clean, smooth, and professional. It works great for tutorials, corporate videos, product showcases, and presentations. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for push. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Direction controls which side the push transition comes from. Ease in controls how smoothly the transition starts. Ease out controls how smoothly the transition ends. Blur amount controls the motion blur during the slide. Stretch adds slight distortion, making the movement feel more dynamic. Rolling shutter adds camera-like motion distortion for a more natural look. Use a shorter duration for a quick, snappy push. Use a longer duration for a smoother slide transition. For best results, use this effect on clean and well-composed clips. And that's it. That's how you create a smooth push slide transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.